Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about the two deficiency diseases. First one was the kwashiorkor caused by protein deficiency, and the second one was marasmus caused by protein, carbohydrate and fat deficiency. Now we will discuss about vitamin deficiency diseases. Here in this chart you can see there are some specific diseases are given, like vitamin A, that is called night blindness. So these are the diseases names, and these are the lack of particular vitamins that cause these diseases, and these are the symptoms that can be seen in the person who is suffering from these diseases. So let's talk about one by one. First one is what vitamin A, and the deficiency name is night blindness, and in this disease a person who is suffering from vitamin A deficiency disease, he would not be able to see properly in the night, okay, and maybe poor vision. Vitamin B1, that is called beriberi, and in this disease extreme weaknesses, swelling of legs and loss of appetite and weight can be seen. Vitamin C, scurvy, you can relate with this. B, beriberi. So vitamin C caused deficiency of vitamin C caused scurvy, and in this disease the muscles will become spongy and they'll be started bleeding. And if somebody is suffering from vitamin C deficiency, that person's wound will take longer time to be healed. Vitamin D, see, you can see in this picture, see, this boy's legs are bow shaped. So in the vitamin D deficiency disease, that is called rickets, softened and bent bones can be seen, and bowed legs due to malformation of leg bones, pain in bones. These are the symptoms for these diseases. Next one is the mineral deficiency diseases. Now in this part we have to study the minerals. They are iron, calcium and fluorine, iodine. These are the minerals, and the deficiency that are caused by these minerals deficiency are anemia, iron. So if somebody is suffering from anemia, that person will have less hemoglobin produced in the blood. And if somebody is suffering from anemia, definitely if he is not having proper blood, he might be weakened and fatigue, loss of weight. The skin color that is normal for Indian color is wheatish, no? So it will be turned into pale, that is a yellowish color, and loss of appetite. Next one is iodine. See, you can see this goiter in the neck region of this lady. So the mineral, that is iodine, if it is not proper we are taking in our diet, the person can suffer from this disease. A very small amount is required in our daily diet, and we can intake this by the salt. So what are the symptoms? Abnormal enlargement of the thyroid gland, which is present in the neck region, that is called thyroid gland. So it is present in the neck region. Retarded growth and mental disability will also be seen as a symptoms of lack of iodine or in the goiter. Calcium. See, calcium is very important for our bones and tooth. So if we are not taking enough calcium, so what will become? We will have bone and tooth decay. Weak bones, excessive bleeding of gums, stunted growth, tooth decay and weaknesses can be seen in this disease. Fluorine, that is the mineral, and the deficiency disease name is dental caries. So we can feel pain in our teeth and they will become very sensitive to hot or cold food or drinks. After a certain age, people are suffering from this disease due to the lack of fluorine in their diet. So now you know very well, these are the deficiency diseases. We have discussed it, and in the next video we will discuss about the what will happen if we are taking more food and what will happen if we are government has also launched a diet plan, that is the midday meal in our government school. So we will discuss in that later video. Thank you.